Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free tub of GFuel using a discount code. Now this method is super easy. I've been doing this for the last few months, and as a result I've gotten tons of free GFuel. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a simple GFuel discount code that you can get. I'm going to be heading to my desk and showing you guys the tutorial, so just make sure you pay attention, follow all of the steps, and let's get you that free GFuel discount code. Let's do this. As you can see here on my screen, this discount code, it's unique, so you need to get your own, and I'll show you where you can get one. And it reduces the cart for completely like $0. You can see here, if I just zoom in, you can see it's got blue ice I've chose because blue raspberry is my favorite, and it's completely free. So you need to first of all grab your mobile phone and open up the internet and go to the following website. This is a discount code that's unique, so it's one-time use, so you're gonna have to get your own. And so follow these steps. So you got to go to gift card, open up the internet and go to giftcardhero.net. So you got to type it exactly like that, and we're going to go there. Now this page is going to load up, so we need to find the GFuel page. You can either scroll down and look for it manually, or you can press menu, go to the search bar and just type GFuel like that, and here we go. GFuel promo codes 2023 coupon discount. So we're going to click that. Scroll down, you can see it's been used multiple times and it's verified working, verified today, and this is a GFuel free energy tub of choice, and then it says exclusive code free energy tub excluding pre-orders, guys. So like I said, these ones that are in pre-order you can't use this code on. It's only the ones that are in stock and available. So this is for new and existing customers, so anyone can use this code. You don't have to be a new user of GFuel. If you're an existing customer, it still works. So basically, guys, we need to click this reveal promo code button, and this page will come up. This is an essentially Gift Card Hero has partnered with these apps and surveys. They're completely free, and all it does is it unlocks the code for you. This is to stop people from stealing all of the codes. As you saw here, they are limited, the codes, so this is a way to protect them. And it's completely free, it just takes a few minutes. So as you can see here, we either need to download a couple of free apps and open them up, or complete a survey. It says one survey, I usually have to complete 2, which is a bit annoying, but I mean, it takes a few minutes, so it's not too bad, and you're getting a free tub out of this, guys. So I'm just gonna click this top one. This is a survey, so I've just got to answer a few easy questions, and then it's going to ask for my email address. So you've got to make sure you put in the correct information, guys, because otherwise it's going to think you're some sort of robot trying to trick the process. So I'm going to put in my email address, and I'm going to do another survey, and I'll be back in a second. Yo, so I just finished this, guys. I did this top survey, and then I decided to do the second one because it said I still needed to complete 1. So it says 1 survey up here, but usually you have to complete 2, so just keep that in mind. It says you will receive your GFuel code once completed. So basically, guys, now if we go back to the other tab, yes, so you can see it now released the full code. So this code is one-time use, so that means one person can go ahead and use this code because I'm not going to use it. But you're going to have to go and get your own, and you can do that by going to gift card. Let me try and focus here, giftcardhero.net, and then generate your code. And on the GFuel website, when you go to your basket, you enter it in this discount code section, and it's going to remove the value of 1 tub, so you can get a tub completely free. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button. I'm trying to grow my channel. Any questions, drop it in the comment section below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Peace.